Hi, I just want to show you how fast you can make scrambled eggs with a little bit of olive oil in a cast iron frying pan. So the oil is smoking, that's fine. There's a new study that says that it releases less carcinogens after it smokes than the next best oil, which was like coconut oil. So I'm just going to put my phone down for a second. So it should look like this. It'll bubble a little bit. I got egg on my screen. So what you're going to do is just give it about 10 seconds. And I've got the stove on 4 out of 10. You're just going to scrape along very slowly. And I did preheat this pan quite a bit. It was sitting there for like 4 minutes, heating up. I used to use a lot of cream, a lot of butter, and I didn't realize it just wasn't needed. Let it rest for like 10-15 seconds. And just do it again. I'll even take all this and just... You don't even need to touch it much. Alright, once it's a big glob, just turn it all over. Now it's nearly done. The eggs are just a bit wet. Throw some red onion in there. And this is feta and provolone. And they're pretty much cooked. They're just kind of drying out at this point. And if you use cream and butter, it makes these take forever to cook. And I much prefer cooking these in like 1 minute flat. Now, it might burn a tiny bit. I'm not worried about something like that. That's not bad. And let them dry out just a wee bit. Get that cheese nice and melted. And yeah, those are pretty much done. Let's grab a plate. A bigger plate.